Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I get a lot of questions. Is it useful to learn DJing in the year 2026? If you want to DJ and you like it, just go and start DJing. I'm gonna explain you in several videos how to do it. Of course you can use the sing button and that's the easy way, but I'm gonna teach you how to learn the beat matching step by step, and of course learning the hard way by doing a lot of practicing, and don't use the beat counter. In one of the next episodes I'm gonna learn you how to use the sync, beat matching, and just look at the beat counter. I also gonna learn you how to play with 4 decks, how to prepare your set, and how to record your set. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you think it's useful, this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, because there is coming a lot of explaining about the decks, how to work with the mixer, how to use the effects, when to use the effects, and of course a lot of beat mixing and what to do. Why you should learn the beat mixing and not only use the sing button, because when you are playing with 4 decks and you listen to the music and something is off the beat, you hear it immediately and you know what to do and what not to do, how to check it. If you use only the sync, sometimes, especially now with a lot of AI music, the music is not always direct on the beat. Before it was always on the beat because the DAW always had the counter 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was exactly. So when you had the kick mixed at the other kick, it always stayed at the beat. Of course, sometimes the equipment will slice a little bit to the side, but if you learn how to correct it, it's perfect. That's why I think it's important to learn the beat mixing without any sing button, without beat counter or nothing, just mixing by ear. Of course, when you know that, we can level up a little bit, make it a little bit easier and use the beat counter. Nowadays, I think using the beat counter or the sync is more or less the same if you know a little trick, what I gonna explain you, and of course I gonna show you. For now, this is a short video what I want to do. I gonna make another video where I start explaining the beat mixing and how you should do it. The equipment, it's more or less with all the equipment. If you have Denon, Pioneer, American Audio, a controller, it doesn't matter. This is a little bit the festival and the club standard, so that's why I'm using it. If I need to play in a club, I always know which button to press, and I always have this setup so I know those 2 faders are those and those 2 faders are those. Same layout works perfect. Sometimes there's another layout and you have to search a little bit, and then the workflow is a little bit different, but with a lot of experience you will manage that. So for now I keep the video short and I will update soon another video where I start to explain how to beat mix without any beat counter or any sing buttons. So I hope you like the video. I see you in the next one.